Today I'm deep cleaning my car. I haven't done this in way too long. When I first got my car, I would hand wash it like every few weeks. And since then, my life has just gotten way busier and I have way more responsibilities. And just thinking about making like a get my life back together video, and then I was like, it's not that I ever had my life together, it's just that I've had fewer responsibilities in the past, and it makes a huge difference. Today I've carved out some time and I'm gonna clean my car, deep clean it inside and outside, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm already getting a later start than I had hoped, but I'm hoping to get this done before it's even hotter outside, because the last time I tried to clean my car on a hot day, I had to go get a car wash because it was such a losing battle. It is officially too hot to continue cleaning the outside of my car. I tried to get an early start, but in spite of my best efforts, I didn't get started until like 11:30, and now it's like 1, and it's just, the sun is directly overhead and it's broiling. I had a sunburn on Monday, and so I had put on a ton of sunscreen, but it was not enough, and so now I'm borrowing a very chic Ralph Lauren shirt from my mom to protect me from the sun. I'm gonna switch off and clean the interior of my car for a bit, starting with my rugs, so that way I can go inside. For the longest time, I would clean my mats with like my hands and a rag, and it would destroy my fingernails. And finally I realized that a toothbrush is a much more effective way of cleaning these rubber mats. And so now this is like my favorite part of cleaning my car because it's so satisfying and easy. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I definitely use my trunk. What is this? My trunk is a, well, this is probably for blowing up tires, but this is not mine. This is probably my dad's. Does anyone else use their trunk as like a catch-all? Because I definitely do. I keep a hip thrust pad because my gym, I can never find the ones at the gym. My snow brush, all my car cleaning supplies. I have a bike basket I haven't put on my bike yet. An umbrella, and I have a bag here of stuff that I've collected actually just for this vlog, including some Moo cleaning gel. Should I use the blue one or the orange one? I used to have a little car vacuum, and the last time I cleaned my car, I ripped the cord out by accident. So I got a cordless car vacuum on Amazon Prime Day, and I've tested it out, and it actually works really well compared to my old one. Gonna take this piece out and wash it. And this piece that also comes out, I'm gonna take out and wash as well. I grabbed some Q-tips while I was in the house to help me clean out these little crevices. That vacuum. It came with like attachments for small areas, but I think they're at my shop, which is really annoying. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna pull the vacuum out of my house and use it, though I hate doing that. Whatever material the carpet in my car it is so hard to clean. It's like all these little fibers wrapped together really tightly, and dirt and grime just gets so stuck in there. It's like 4 p.m. now, and it has finally cooled down to the extent that I can now wash the other side of my car and the back end and the top. I hate washing the top of my car because I never know like how to reach it. Like, I'm short, and it's a short car, but it's taller than me almost, so wish me luck. We've had dinner, and my car is basically finished. It's not perfect by any means. I think I have some like permanent scuffs, and the carpet's also pretty dirty. I wanted to wash it, but I just did not have the wherewithal to scrub the carpet on top of everything else. I'm pretty sure that cleaning my car would be a 2-day job if I were to clean the carpets as well. Now that the car itself is clean, I'm going to do a small repair, and I'm going to restock my glove box with car essentials. This is the fun part. I am going to put some replacement mirrors on my car, just like the mirror parts, like a sticker. The first thing people always comment on when they ride in my car, without fail, is how bad my mirrors are, and they really are bad. Oh. Oh, brother. There's one. I thought it was a 2-pack. That's it. And it's not even for the driver's side. Wow. Wow. Well, this is for the passenger side. So we're going over here. Okay, that was really easy. I guess I have to go find the listing and buy the other side now. Which is, oh, it's so annoying too because it was like $20. I feel like that's so expensive for just one piece of glass. It's a dragonfly. Look, right there. Peel and stick.
We can do this tonight. This will not take long at all.
Okay, great. I'm just finishing up this project and then...
What?
Just finishing this up.
Okay. Oh, that mirror looks great.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It really was easy to put on too.
Yeah.
Just stick.
I should have done that for you a long time ago.
It's okay. It's my car.
Does that door look better?
Yes, looks a lot better.
Spray 9 is the secret sauce.
I think I just needed to put more elbow grease on it. My goodness,
No,
look at that bug.
You need straight. Oh, that right there is trout crack. For sure.
That's a big bug.
You put that on a line in a
What is
trout
that, a
stream.
cricket?
It's a cricket. They'll come out of the water
Chunky.
for that thing. Oh my goodness. That's fun. Like, it's unbelievable.
It looks like a frog. So,
Yeah, they can
so
hop.
big.
And they make a lot of racket too at night.
So I asked for this for Christmas. And honestly, I'm not like thrilled with the quality of it. It was like $20. So I would not buy it. It's really hard to zip. So I'm going to link to something alternative that I feel like would work better. But I do like the window, and you can like see what's inside. See, it just gets stuck on the corners. So I don't love that. I have hand cream, Band-Aids, a spoon, because am I the only girl who goes and buys a yogurt and then you have to eat it with a fork? Because I feel like that's the only silverware that seems to be generally available. So I have a spoon, extra straw. This is just allergy relief, but I should probably put some like Tylenol and ibuprofen in there as well. A lint roller, sanitizing wipe. Don't mind this is trash. That's very unaesthetic, isn't it? I also bought some wipes. I always have napkins, but I've realized recently that napkins are not the most effective, and especially toward like greasy, sticky food. So I bought a pack of wipes. And I always keep a couple of extra sweeteners on hand. This is a sewing kit. I'm not sure where my mom got these from. I think she won them in a giveaway, and this little scissors really comes in handy. I had a nail clipper in it too, which was really great. There's still a tweezers inside, but I don't know what happened to the nail clipper. It's unfortunate. I have my cleaning gel. I also have a feminine pad, just for having on hand. Here's my kit. It just needs one more thing. I got one. I used to have the ick from people who use these, like influencers, but no, I was kind of like, I need one, I'm out. I told Becca I wanted to get one of these, and she was like, she rolled her eyes so dramatically, and I was like, really, is that bad? I guess it is, but I feel like this is like part of the influencer starter pack. So maybe now I'm officially an influencer, but I'm really curious to see how it smells because they didn't have like samples in the store. I feel like they should. Also, I got it from Ulta, so I was able to use a coupon on it. Leave a comment and tell me if you're an Ulta girly or a Sephora girly, because I feel like you're either one or the other. Oh, that's nice. It's not too much. Catch me out here spritzing my hands all the time. That's the last thing. I swear this is really hard to shut. I wouldn't recommend you get this one. I'm gonna link to one that has a more rigid wall and that has a zip around the top because I think that will be a lot better. Recently I discovered that in your YouTube studio page there is a list of suggestions for content that YouTube provides based on what people are looking for, and there were at least 2 or 3 different instances of something to do with car cleaning, car organization, and one was clean my new car with me. And I was kind of like, this has got to just be for like, I got a new car, because your new car should already be clean. Like if your new car isn't clean, it's not new. My car was pretty clean when I got it, even though I got it used. It was like detailed really well before I bought it. I have a BMW 528i from 2012, so it's by no means a new car. I've put a little over 40,000 miles on it in 3 years. It was my first car that I bought myself. I was not like a huge car person until I was like almost the age where I was like supposed to get my driver's license, and I started thinking about what kind of car I wanted. And Dave Ramsey, his catchphrase is like, where the paid off home mortgage has taken the place of the BMW as the status symbol of choice. And what I took away from that is that BMWs are status symbols. But I did follow the Dave Ramsey plan, and I paid cash for it. There's this little glove box over here, which I think is really great. I like to keep my mints in here because if they're in the other glove box, I forget about them and I don't use them. So those are going in there. And also my car registration, because I feel like it will be easier to access in case I need it. I don't know if you noticed, I should point this out. These are both broken. This one is completely missing the vents. I just like to put it out there that I did not break them personally. One thing, I used to have one that clipped in there and it worked great, and I did not break it. And then 2 other people broke it on in the same trip, and they were like, "That's such a terrible design." I was like, "You just weren't careful enough." Because one thing about me, I'm a very chaotic, messy person. I'm always staining my clothes and breaking things, and can't keep things nice. And I was super careful, and I kept it nice. And I'm not going to use it again because evidently it's a flawed design. But I want it to be made known that for once it was not my fault that it broke. So I bought the replacement piece that goes here, but it's too involved of a repair for me to take on myself, because it requires taking this entire outer piece, and it has connections to ignition and air vents, and I'm just gonna let my dad take care of it. So he's gonna take my car apart, but after that I think I'm gonna drive to the local creamery and get an ice cream treat, because this has been a long hot day and I'm really craving some ice cream. And here's the repaired air vents. This is so nice to have functioning air vents again. Hooray! Let's go get some ice cream. Ice cream has been acquired. Hopefully this vlog inspired you to clean your car, or at least to get some ice cream. Thank you for watching. I have a really fun vlog coming up next week, so I hope you'll come back and watch that. See you next time.
Hello there, and welcome to the exciting world of kids.
1, 2, 3.